Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabrielle if you are new here, and if you couldn't already tell by today's title, we are going to be chatting all about maintenance routines to achieve the that girl aesthetic. I absolutely love maintenance routines. I think they're just so great at helping you achieve the best version of yourself, the that girl aesthetic. When I say the that girl aesthetic, I don't mean it in a negative way. I truly believe that the that girl is someone that is already you. You are already that girl, and if you don't personally feel like that, your that girl aesthetic is the best version of you, the person that you want to step into your future self. The maintenance routine is going to help you set actionable habits and routines into your life to actually achieve that best version of yourself, to step into your that girl aesthetic. When you think of the that girl aesthetic, it's really just your ideal self. It's not somebody else. It's exactly who you want to be, what your ideal version of you is. I want you to first, as part of this exercise that we are going to do, not only establish your maintenance routine, but also figure out who it is that you want to be. Let's first start off with what that girl aesthetic is and how you can identify what your that girl aesthetic is. If you were to search in Pinterest, that girl aesthetic, you get lots of different types of content, lots of different inspiration, whether it's smoothies, healthy meals, like healthy food on a grocery basket, someone doing Pilates, that clean girl aesthetic, clean makeup, organized home, all of that stuff. So that's a great inspiration starting point for you, but I also want you to really cater this to yourself and what you envision that girl to be. So I want you to write down exactly what that girl means to you. What is she doing? What is she wearing? How does she smell? What is she eating? All of it. And that is really going to pinpoint what and who you desire to be. Now, what exactly is a maintenance routine? I'm just looking here at my notes. Maintenance routine is a set of consistent practices and routines that you are practicing on a daily, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever kind of basis that is going to help you be in your optimal state, be the best version of yourself. This includes categories like personal care, self-care, health and wellness, productivity, organization, personal development. So we are going to break down each of the different categories from annual to quarterly, etc. So the first thing that we're going to establish is our annual maintenance routine. This is stuff that you do once per year. The most common ones are your annual physical, so your annual medical checkups with your primary care physician. This could also be with a naturopathic doctor if you choose. Just an annual checkup. Make sure your health is on track. This might even include like an annual blood work, just to get a panel of complete blood count, your enzymes, vitamins, electrolytes, etc. I also love to annually do goal planning. And this is something that most people might do in like December or January as we're heading into a new year, but you don't have to wait until January to start goal setting and goal planning. Just something that you can do annually in a more broad spectrum, but I also love goal planning and kind of revisiting my goals on a quarterly basis as well, which we will get to. And then travel. If it's feasible, I mean, traveling once a year is in my best self's like lifestyle. I want to travel at least once a year, enrich in culture, just take some time for self-care, build my brand and my business. So travel is a really big one for me, and I want to make it a goal to do at least once per year, if not more frequently, but I've set it as part of my annual maintenance routine is to travel. Now we have our biannual, so something that we're going to do twice a year or every 6 months. If we're doing kind of like the standard health checkups, teeth cleaning, dental checkups, x-rays, for your teeth is something that I do every 6 months, just as part of like a very basic maintenance routine for my general health. But some of the other more fun things might be like reviewing my fitness goals. I might have created annual fitness goals, but it's really good to check up every 6 months to see like, how am I doing? What is my plan? And how can I best achieve my optimal health, my best body? If we're going into a more cosmetic aspect, it could be like things like Botox or fillers. Some people might do it more regularly. I truly don't think that you need to do Botox and filler that frequently if you choose to do it. I think to achieve a very natural look, like I've not done Botox more than like twice a year, sometimes once a year. And if other people tell you differently, that's fine. I just think I like the natural look. Like I like seeing aging, but a little more subtle. So that's why I put it biannually for me. Now your quarterly maintenance routine, a wardrobe clean out. And I love doing this seasonally because of course, if you live in an environment where the weather or the seasons are very kind of meshed together and there isn't a definitive like fall, winter, spring, and summer, where you're really needing to change up what you're wearing, then this may not be super applicable. I live in Canada and we have very distinct seasons. So what I'm wearing in summer versus spring and fall is completely different. The weather totally changes. So I love doing a wardrobe clean out, decluttering, and refresh every quarter and just kind of see what I already have, add any new items based on how my style might change, or include some investment pieces that I've been really wanting. Also a hair refresh. Now, a hair refresh for me is a trim and highlight. I actually do my highlights more so biannually. As you can tell, I haven't gotten some done in quite a while, but I definitely would say that like a trim or a haircut every quarter is really great just for maintenance of your hair. If you can do it more frequently, I know they suggest like every 6 to 8 weeks, then of course you can include that into your maintenance routine. But I think the most feasible financially is quarterly. And then you can also do things like a facial or a massage as part of your self-care. Facials, I think that there can be a multitude of different facials that you choose. It could be a hydrating facial, it could be more of a treatment facial depending on your skincare goals and needs. Now, as I was mentioning annually, to do goal setting, I think every quarter with every season to establish some new goals or create like a little bit of a bucket list is really great for just motivation, keeping yourself in check with what it is that you want to achieve. Annual goals, while they're super great because it's wonderful at the end of the year to look back at your annual goals and be like, I've achieved this, this, and this, but quarterly goals kind of think of your subcategories of your overarching yearly goals can really help you achieve those goals by the end of the year. So I love setting quarterly goals and intentions, creating a quarterly bucket list with the seasons. So if I really want to go skiing, that might be something that I focus on in the quarter where we're in the winter months versus the summer months. Now let's move on to our monthly maintenance routine. So again, setting monthly goals and intentions, just breaking down into smaller actionable steps to achieving those overarching yearly goals is revisiting that each month. Also like to do a full body wax. If you do laser, I mean, that might be a totally different maintenance routine for how you pop that into your calendar. But for me, I do monthly wax and I find that the results are pretty long lasting, so I don't need to do it more frequently than that. A gel pedicure. I really like gel pedicures because they last long. I find that the rate of nail growth for your toes is significantly shorter, so monthly is totally fine for me. A lymphatic drainage massage. Lymphatic drainage massages are so incredible at helping just like boost your lymphatic drainage circulation. It's going to help detoxify your body and just giving you a little bit of a reset each month. If you want to space this out to a quarterly, you absolutely can, but if you can afford to do it every single month, I would absolutely do that. Or you can also learn how to do it yourself. Infrared saunas. This is also kind of like a luxury thing, but the place that I get my lymphatic drainage massages also have infrared saunas. And this is so incredible for detoxing. The infrared light is incredible. The heat is incredible. It just feels like such a good detox. I absolutely love doing this before a trip. It is so amazing. Definitely a monthly lymphatic drainage massage paired with an infrared sauna following that is chef's kiss. Cleaning your makeup brushes. Some may argue that you should do this more frequently, but at least a really good deep clean of your makeup brushes monthly to prevent bacterial distribution on your face. It's just a lot more cleanly. And then also shaving your face. This is something again that I recently started where you can shave your face just to get rid of that peach fuzz, but I don't get like any prickly face. My hair doesn't grow back thicker, so I really like it because it makes my makeup apply so much more smooth. My skin feels softer and more radiant, so I really like shaving the face. Let's head into bi-weekly. So bi-weekly, I like getting a manicure. Now I haven't got my nails done in a little bit of time, but a manicure is so nice. I love having like clean, polished nails, minimal, natural, or I also like playing with the season. So depending on what time of year we're in, I might do a bit of a darker color or a paler color or test out a little cute design. Love getting a manicure. In terms of mental health, therapy is really great to support your mental well-being. Okay, weekly. Wash your bed sheets. This makes a huge difference in just like my sleep. I feel so much better. It's great for your skin. Like old makeup, bacteria, sweat, oils are just going to go onto your pillowcase, onto your sheets. And so making sure that those are clean and fresh are really going to support healthy skin. I also love doing a little home declutter. So when my home sometimes like over the week gets a little bit messy, so just tidying everything up, putting clutter away, fluffing up my pillows, whatever it might be, I love doing that. And then we have our everything shower. This is my bread and butter. I love the everything shower because it literally just puts me into the best mood, and my everything shower is chef's kiss. I absolutely love it. There are a couple things that I have been doing in my everything shower that have supported my skin looking so fresh and glowy, and I want to take a second to chat about it today. So everything showers to me, of course, include washing your hair with a detoxing shampoo to get rid of any buildup, but also applying a nice hair mask and then a nice hair oil, giving yourself a scalp massage to stimulate hair growth. When it comes to the skin on your body, a good exfoliation. So I have been using this OSEA Salt of the Earth body scrub. It is a beautiful tub and it includes Himalayan salt, Bolivian rose, and dead sea salt, and it's going to help polish any dull, dry skin, leaving your skin absolutely smooth, radiant, glowy. This also contains some shea butter, algae to help soften the skin, and organic lavender to soothe your body and spirit. Oh, love this so much. It's absolutely stunning. And after I get out of the shower, I apply 2 different products. We have the Hyaluronic body serum. Now this is a newer product from OSEA. I absolutely love OSEA products. They're a female founded brand that is based out of California. They are a clean vegan brand that uses algae in all of their products. Hyaluronic acid for your skin is so incredible. It holds 1,000 times its weight in water. So it's really not only going to moisturize your skin, but it's going to hydrate your skin at like a cellular level. Why would you not apply the same level of care and attention to the skin on your face as you would for the skin on the rest of your body? Because my glow up is all about having beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin from top to bottom. So the OSEA Hyaluronic body serum, clinically proven to increasing your skin's hydration by 161%, which is crazy. It's also oil-free and fragrance-free. It's super lightweight. This contains 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid, as well as peptides and nutrient-rich seaweed. And then I like to layer that with the OSEA Undaria algae body oil. Now I just finished my last one, so I am popping open a brand new one. This stuff is so incredible. It's hydrating, it smells wonderful, and again uses that seaweed in here for optimal hydration. It's going to make your skin look glowy, hydrated, smooth. It will literally give you that summer glow if you're watching this in summertime, but honestly we love that super glowy skin all year round. This is also clinically proven to improve your skin's elasticity as well as soften and firm the look of your skin. So right now OSEA is offering a build your own bundle offer. So if you bundle 2 products, you will receive 15% off. So for example, if you want to get the OSEA Salt of the Sea body scrub with the Undaria algae body oil, you will save 15% off. If you do 3 product bundle, you'll save 20% off. So if you were to purchase all of these and add them to your cart, you will receive 20% off at checkout. Not only that, you will also receive a free deluxe gift at checkout. Now, I have additional bonus for you. If you use my promotional code, which we'll have linked on screen and listed down below, you'll receive an additional 10% off your order at checkout. If you were to get all 3 of these products, you'll receive 20% off plus a deluxe gift, plus the additional 10% off if you use my code at checkout. So it's an incredible value, incredible products, and this will not disappoint. Highly recommend getting this bundle because you're going to exfoliate, hydrate at like a cellular level, and then also improves your skin glow and elasticity and hydration with the oil. So I love this combo. It is amazing. I also love the body butter when I'm feeling extra dry, but this is my ultimate summer glow routine for my everything shower. Okay, so on with the rest of our weekly maintenance routine is meal planning. It really helps me to plan out the groceries that I need to buy. So meal planning I think is really great, or even just creating a weekly grocery list to help you stay on track. I also love planning. I've been an avid planner for so long, so planning out my week and knowing exactly what I need to do, whether it's content creation, working on my upcoming brand, or just like organizing meetings in my life, I love to plan for the week ahead. Now let's move on to things that I like to do 2 to 3 times a week. While I do love to use this is part of my everything shower. I also think it's really important to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for your skin to look its best. So I actually use this exfoliating product about 2 to 3 times a week, but of course it's included in my everything shower, which I do once a week. I also like to use like a body peel or a body retinol about 2 to 3 times a week, ensure that I get rid of these ingrown hairs or clogged pores on my skin. And working out 2 to 3 times a week, getting myself to the gym, moving my body, whether that's a really long walk outside, Pilates session, yoga, walking on the treadmill, just some type of exercise that gets my blood pumping, improving my cardiovascular health, and helping me achieve my dream body. Now, daily, this is probably gonna be your most extensive list of things to do, and you might want to actually break this down into your morning, afternoon, and evening routines to really help simplify and break down how your day is going to look. What I'm going to share with you is not necessarily what I'm currently doing, but it is what I want to start doing to establish the best version of myself. I have a lot of supplements, and I can't say I'm the most consistent with my supplements, so I've written in my maintenance routine that that girl self takes her collagen powder every day and also takes her antioxidant powder every single day. So those are things that I really need to incorporate into my daily routine. Also, green juice and ginger shots. I love taking my Ginger Plus shots. It's just super good for immunity. It just has like a nice fiery pick-me-up. I really like that. And getting my greens in really helps. Just, I need to improve my fiber intake, need to improve my greens intake. So I find that that's the easiest way for me to achieve that is just through drinking a green juice. Of course, doing your morning skincare routine and applying SPF. I have a lash and brow serum that I love to apply. Plan out my day in my planner. If I haven't already established what I'm doing from my weekly plan, then I like to break down any of the to-dos and priorities that I need to get done that day. Brushing teeth, flossing, and tongue scraping. Tongue scraping you're essentially supposed to do first thing in the morning before you even drink a sip of water. That's something I need to get more into. Dry brushing is really great for lymphatic drainage and exfoliation. Cuticle oil and moisturize my hands just to make sure that I'm staying on top of my hand care routine. And then my PM skincare routine, aim to get 10 steps a day, 10,000 steps a day, and take my magnesium supplement before bed. So those are my daily maintenance routine to-dos. So that is my maintenance routine. I hope this helps inspire you to create a maintenance routine for yourself so you can step into your that girl aesthetic. If you are looking to glow up your skin as part of your maintenance routine, then make sure to check out the promotion of the OSEA bundles. I will have them linked down below, as well as the product names for each of these products that are part of my everything shower and my body care routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.